What if your Windows 10 PC has no internet connection, but you still need to update Microsoft Defender Antivirus? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to manually update Microsoft Defender offline, step by step. Hey everyone, welcome back to the CNATT channel. If you rely on Microsoft Defender for security, keeping it up to date is critical, even without internet access. In this tutorial, I'll cover what offline updates are, where to download them safely, how to install them, how to verify that everything worked. Before we begin, you'll need a USB flash drive, another PC or device with internet access, your Windows 10 system ready. Microsoft Defender uses something called Security Intelligence Updates, also known as virus definitions. These updates enable Defender to detect the latest threats. Even without an internet connection, you can manually install them using official update pack. Step 1. Download the update file. On a PC or any device with internet access, open your browser. Go to the official Microsoft Defender Antivirus update page. The link is provided in the description below. Scroll down to the manually download the update section. From the available links, select the version that matches your target system, then click it to download the update file. After the file is downloaded, copy it to your USB drive. I've already downloaded this file, so let me show you how to use it on a system that isn't connected to the internet. Step 2. Install the update on the offline PC. Before we start the update, let's first check when Microsoft Defender was last updated on this Windows system. As you can see, Microsoft Defender was last updated several months ago. Now, insert the USB drive into your offline PC. Copy the file to your desktop. Double-click the downloaded.exe file. No interface may appear. This is normal. Wait a moment for the update to complete. To verify the update, open Windows Security, click Virus and Threat Protection, scroll down to Virus and Threat Protection Updates, and check when Microsoft Defender was last updated. If the date is recent, the update was successful. If the date is not recent, restart Windows and check again. At this point, your Microsoft Defender Antivirus is fully updated, even without internet access. If it doesn't work, make sure you downloaded the correct version. Run the file as an administrator. Ensure that Microsoft Defender Antivirus is enabled. Now your system is protected and fully up to date, even offline. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the CNATT channel for more practical Windows tutorials. And if you want to learn more about Windows security, check out the next video on your screen. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.